Boom. All right, guys. So this is just a quick video, straight to the point. Very simple, very easy. How you double your bundles on the sewing machine before you get started on your wig. Like I said, it's very simple and straight to the point. The sewing machine is set to zigzag stitching. You literally start your 2 tracks. They're already double, but not together. You start your 2 tracks. I like to put it a little further than the edge and put the needle directly inside of the track. You need to make sure that the needles are going in and out both tracks, in and out both tracks. Like I said, start somewhere right after the edge of it. And I like to go forward, back stitch all the way back to the end point. Come forward, go back, come forward, go back. And then we work our way through, all the way down, making sure the needle is going through both tracks. So you see how both tracks are there, literally. So hold your finger here, and then literally make sure it's going through both pieces. And if you can take the dollar and see, nice and slow, it's literally going through both tracks. First track, second track. Just like that. And take your time, make sure it's lined up, you know. If it starts to slip, all you literally have to do is just push together, hold your fingers, you know, pinch it here, and you're good. If you see how on this end, this is how it's gonna come out. These are all together. They're not coming apart. Just like that. All the way to the end.
Keep going. Don't put your hair, no mind, not let that get the best of you. The hair's around your hair. It's gonna come right out, so it's okay, keep going.
And then once you get to the end here, you want to back stitch 1, 2, 3, at least 3 to 4 times. Bam. Perfectly double. Seamlessly double.